Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Nice, Ryan.
I sneezed.
We're not getting up. You should have made the bed when you got your fat ass out of it.
No, hell you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I'm still laying here, ain't I?
This is us. Stream anytime.
The Autumn, what the fuck?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm. Wait. Everybody, calm down.
Get your butts up so I can make the bed. Go on now, get up.
Weezer, lay yourself back down. She won't tell us what to do.
I have a question. Did you or did you not lick every single piece of cheese on Lydia's charcuterie board? Huh? Huh? Did you lick these cheeses? Answer me!
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Bueno, acá tenemos el gatito nuevo. Ali, vos lo vas a cuidar, ¿no? No le pegues porque es bebé. No le pegues. La concha de tu madre, ¿no ves que es bebé? Ay, la cara de miedo. Pero...
So once again we lost the cat, and well, once again she's in the refrigerator.
What are you doing?
Trying to steal the hot dogs because she snuck in while I was cutting up a cucumber.
What are you doing?
And I have no idea why the hot dogs are in the vegetable drawer or the cheese. Ask my children per usual.
What are you doing?
But yeah.
Do you
Found
belong
cat.
in there? Don't get mad at me because I took you out of the refrigerator. I love you.
When your cat finds out that you're making a double of her, She's so fucking angry.
Okay, you're proud of her. I'm just getting you some rat food because you seem a little angry.
Gel seveyim gel. Tamam. Sakin. Herkes bizi düşman zannediyor bak. Çok oluyor. Dün bir tane izleyelim. Allah'tan şeyi bilmiyor. Tırnak çıkarmayı. Yurt dışında şey zannetmişler. Dumanın tırnaklarını kökünden söktüğümüzü falan zannetmişler. Hani Türkiye'de öyle bir işlem olduğunu.
Normalde tırnak çıkarıyor ama bize çıkarmıyor.
Öyle mi? Kesinlikle. Kime çıkarıyor ki acaba?
Sinirlenince çiziyor.
Allah Allah. İyi beni seviyorsun o zaman. Şunu sileyim bitecek tamam.
Okay. Alright, that's fine. As long as you're comfy, dude.
Mama, take this off of me.
No, I'm not.
Bless your heart, Mama. You just ain't listening to me.
I can hear just fine.
I'm gonna come up there and we're gonna have a talk about this. I ain't playing. I'm gonna do it.
Well, get your big butt up here then.